In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails go to a specific folder in Gmail automatically using Gmail folders. Organizing your inbox can be a game changer, especially when you're dealing with a mountain of emails every day. With these steps, you'll be able to set up specific filters so your incoming emails are neatly sorted into folders, leading to a more efficient email management system. First, let's get started by navigating to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page for the search bar. On the far right end of this bar, you'll notice an icon that looks like three horizontal lines or a tiny downward facing arrow. This is your search options icon. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open a more detailed search filter dialog that offers a variety of ways to sift through your emails. Now you'll want to focus on the From field. This is where you type in the email address of the sender whose emails you'd like to automatically filter. Enter the specific email address, or if you're filtering for a group or domain, you can use keywords or partial addresses that are common to the emails you want to corral into a folder. Our next step is a really handy feature for dealing with emails that come with attachments. Look for the option labeled Has Attachment and go ahead and click on it. Checking this box ensures that only emails with attachments from the specified sender will be filtered, keeping your folder streamlined and relevant. Once you've adjusted these preferences, it's time to create the actual filter. You'll notice a button at the bottom of this dialog that says Create Filter. Click on this to proceed. It's now time to decide what exactly this filter will do with emails that match your criteria. Look for the option labeled Apply the Label and tick the box next to it. Just beside it, there's a drop-down menu titled Choose Label. Clicking on this will allow you to select the specific folder where you want these emails to be automatically organized. If you haven't created a label yet, you can do so from this drop-down by selecting New Label. Having selected your desired label, you're just about done. With your choices made, hit Create Filter at the bottom. This will apply the settings, and going forward, emails from this sender that match your criteria will be automatically sorted into the folder you've designated. And there you have it. By setting up a filter in Gmail, you've taken a significant step towards more effective email management. This method not only saves you time, but also reduces inbox clutter. Remember, you can always modify these filters or create more as your email needs evolve. With these tools at your disposal, maintaining a tidy inbox is absolutely doable. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.